Good morning, Year 4, and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today we are coming to the end of our work on division and going to put what we know into some word problems and pull out and use some of the skills that we have already sort of been looking at the past week or so. Okay, so to get us ready, I want us to use the known quotient. Remember, the quotient is what we call the answer in a division. I want to use the known quotient to calculate the missing quotients for these calculations. And think back to what we know. Oh, excuse me, I yawn. I'm very tired in my old age. Think back to what we already know about quotients and remainders and how remainders change as we add one more to each to the number that's being divided, the dividend we call it. Okay, so 47 divided by 4 is 11 remainder 3. If I add one more into 47, I get 48. Okay, so I can add one more into my remainder. But if you see, that remainder would become 4. So I'd have another whole group of 4, which means I wouldn't have 11 anymore. I'd have 12 groups of 4. Okay, 49 divided by 4 would be one more than this. So it'd be 12 remainder 1, and so on. Use that rule for those, and you can put your answers onto your sheet, and I will have a look when you submit your work on portfolios later. Okay, so let's have a look at some word problems then. So if there are 8 yogurts in a pack of yogurts, how many packs can be made from 104 yogurts? You think about it, you've got a table for 104 yogurts. How many groups of 8 can you make with those? Okay, so we've got 8 in a pack and we've got 104 altogether. So the calculation that we're going to do is 104 split into packs of 8, 104 divided by 8. Okay, so we've got different methods we can use to work that out. We've got the part whole models, we've got the place value charts, and you know what, over the past few days I've seen some people prefer to use the part whole, some people prefer to use the place value. That's completely up to you which method you want to choose. Okay, but I'm just wondering, looking at that, are we going to have full packs of yogurts, or are we going to have some left over at the end? I don't know. Okay, maybe you can work that out for me. So, did I just pop the answer up? Sorry, Year 4. I've just popped the answer in there, haven't I? 104 divided by 8, then if I was to going to do that, I'd have 13 packs of yogurts. Okay, but how many full packs could be made with 114 yogurts? Now this is different. Okay, is it just the case it's going to be one more pack? How many would be left over? Okay, well, we know it's going to be 10 more than 104. Maybe we can use that fact to help us. What do you think it's going to be? Okay, you can write down the answer for that one on your sheet and you can show me later, but I'd use this fact that we already know, that 13 lots of 8 go into 104. Well, if I gave you another 10 yogurts, how many groups of 8 extra would you have, and how many would you have left over? Write it down in your paper. Year 4, we've got these word problems then, okay, which you need to have a go at doing. We've got 3 apples cost 57 pence altogether. What does 1 apple cost? Each box holds 7 fish. How many boxes will be needed for 126 fish? And 6 friends share the cost of a meal. The bill comes to £102. How much should they each pay? Okay, so you've got 3 problems there, plus some challenge questions there. Okay, be really proud of you for having a go at those. Also, there's one arithmetic question there that I'd like you to just have a quick go at. I'm going to take a snapshot of all 3 of those screens and put them onto the website so you can see them. Okay, but that's your task for today. Those 3 questions there, some challenge questions if you want to push yourself, and that quick question there as well. Also going to look forward to seeing what you've got from this at the beginning to relate it back to what we learned about quotients last week. All right, Year 4, you know where I am if you need any help, but good luck with your work. I will see you all later. Bye for now.